That's your new nickname for the videos.
Alright.
Boy, this is a quality piece, ain't it?
Hey man, it was free. Well,
Free is for me.
yeah. There's a rubber mat in the bed of the truck. Want to get it?
Maybe.
Should be like sitting there somewhere.
You expect me to see?
Don't you have a phone with a light?
It's dead.
I remember my first time.
Well, I found it.
Alright, cool. Now you know it's quality.
Oh yeah. The thicker mats than they got on them other boxes we got.
Yeah, it is thicker than the Harbor Freight ones.
Yeah. But the box isn't.
We got to take the bottom cabinet out and put it on top. So
Well, that defeats the point of the rubber.
you ought to all have protection to keep it from, Oh. Alright guys, what is up? It just took 2 mechanical engineering students 29 minutes to put together a Chinese toolbox.
Quality.
And we are missing 2 screws.
Don't buy anything from China.
Well, this is actually from Lowe's.
It came from China.
Hey man, don't hate. But, well, this is it. Let's give you a quick tour. Oh,
he spit.
Wait, do they really?
Maybe.
Oh, turns out the wing nuts they give
Oh man, get it. Find another one.
you.
Where's that part I threw?
It's right here.
By the Hitler heater.
But all right. As it turns out, you use the shipping wing nuts.
I'm
to
sure
put
that's
together.
not how it was designed.
Hey man. Well, there's the assembly Allen key.
I always add that into my toolbox.
Yeah. Looking for wing nuts.
Should be another one on the floor.
Should have been like 3 other ones on the floor.
Maybe it's under this thing.
Yeah, possibly. Did they go in deep enough?
I don't know. I ain't been that deep.
Neither have I, man.
Hey. What the heck?
Well, let's move this.
I know we throw stuff a lot.
Oh, I got one in my pocket.
Oh, sweet.
Alright, there it is, finally fully assembled.
This is what happens when they don't give you directions.
Hey, there was directions. There was directions.
Unpacking directions.
There's directions on how to get that box out of that box. That was about it. Nice little stick man.
It was like a... It's not a stick man, it's a steamroller man.
Oh, the steamroller man. Alright, guys, well. Finally assembled a toolbox that has been sitting in my other shop for 3 years now. Gonna put together to kind of organize this mess of a garage a little bit.
Half the stuff ain't even yours.
Hey, man.
That's what happens when you rob houses.
What?
What?
Alrighty.
Just fucking rip the zipper off.
That's how you know she likes it.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, well, here is the $10 Facebook Marketplace find that you need in your shop. Well, I guess every shop needs.
Every shop needs a good vice. But most shops don't have a cheap vice.
Yeah. So, kind of the cool thing about these old vices is, well...
They aren't garbage.
Yeah. They're a lot sturdier than anything you'll find in Lowe's, Home Depot, whatever.
You should see the one we got at work. That thing's a piece.
No.
It's like where someone's tightened down on so bad it's broke the casting in the back of the vise. It's just leaned over like this. Soft jaws are missing everything.
Son. But, yeah, not bad for $10. Colombian vise, I couldn't tell you what model or anything.
I can.
What is it?
Here's the number right here. Oh, that's the serial number.
Yeah.
They've got it stamped in the side somewhere.
Colombian Vice and Manufacturing Company, Cleveland, Ohio.
I think it. Well, that might not be it. I don't know. Mine. Some of these old Colombians have a number, like the size stamped on them. I think mine does. I don't remember right off what it is.
I got you.
There's a Facebook page about collecting vices.
Yeah. There's some of them that are pretty high dollar.
Oh yeah, like the old Wilton bullet vices. Like the big one we got in the shop.
Yeah.
That one's expensive.
Yeah.
And,
Gotcha.
There's people just collect vices. I mean, I got a friend that collects school buses. There's something for everyone, ain't there?
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. Your average, $150 vice at Lowe's is, Irwin, I think, is what Lowe's
my
has.
dad bought a bigger vice. About the equivalent of this, but it's shorter from Big Lots before, and it lasted until I started using it. I was using it to press something out, and then it broke the casting on it, and I never told him I broke it. I just hit it with a hammer until it bent back straight.
Fair enough. Well, I guarantee you can put a cheater pipe on this handle here, and
just bend the handle.
Yeah, you'll just bend the handle long before you bend the casting. So, I don't know.
This thing's solid. The whole casting there's solid. I don't think they put a core in that. In the top, just in the bottom here where the thread goes through.
Fun fact, it's called an Acme thread.
I know.
Oh, I didn't know if you knew or not.
Yeah.
But, yeah, pretty solid $10 Facebook find, so it is what it is when you're a cheap college student.
Yeah. I think I paid, they had 125 on mine before, and I swindled them into throwing in some other things into the deal, so.
Fair enough. Fair enough. So. Whew.
Yep.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Tater tot.
You can call me tater salad.
I believe I'll have a scotch.
I believe that it's politically incorrect to call a special ed student tardy to class.
I don't know. Let's do a quick shop tour.
Okay.
So, first of all, guys, this here is my home shop while I'm at college. Little on the crowded side.
A little on the junky side.
Hey, man. One man's trash is another man's treasure.
It's your trash, and it's also your treasure, literally. Like, this is like, all of this stuff is like your trash.
Yeah, true. Okay, so to be fair, this shop is solely comprised of junk items that we didn't really need in my shop at home anymore.
And
so,
then the stuff from the neighbor.
Yeah, well. So this is a shared shop, kind of, with my neighbor, but hey, it is what it
really
is.
Her storage building. She totally took over the bench, though.
Oh yeah, she took the workbench. You probably can't see it due to the blinding light.
We're gonna have to build you one.
But yeah, this here is her workbench. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
I'll tell you what, I'll make you some rough
Then
lumber.
this is her section, kinda, a little bit here. I got my floor jack, my miscellaneous tools we used to put the toolbox together.
I wonder how that handle got bent.
Huh? Yeah, that's we'll have to have a story time.
For another day.
Story for another day.
The wheel over on the front's chipped right there from that same incident.
Huh?
Huh?
We'll have story time when we introduce that truck.
Yeah. Oh Lord.
I got a big old heater that I don't have a propane tank for currently. Have my toolbox full of the finest Harbor Freight tools to fill up my Chinese toolbox. A little crate full of some more miscellaneous PB, brake clean, random stuff. Have a collection of spare tires. Have my 60-gallon air compressor.
That you got for free.
That I did get for free.
Yes.
I won't say how. But have a fender to a Ford F-250 Super Duty. extension cords, DeWalt chop saw, light tree down in there, my
Isn't even yours.
oxygen acetylene tank here, 40-gallon fuel cell out of 2001 Power Stroke, my dad's 15-gallon air compressor that I probably should take back to him at some point. That's pretty well my tools at this point. I'll show you guys my Chinese toolbox once I get it all set up.
I gotta show them that old SnapOn you got.
Ooh, yep.
The liquor cabinet.
Alright guys, we'll go inside and check out my vintage SnapOn toolbox I have. Alright guys, what it up? This is my vintage SnapOn toolbox. Pretty cool. Ended up getting it from a previous job I was working. Kinda currently serving the purpose as an end table in my living room. So I mean, it's kinda not really the best suited for putting in the shop, but hey, it's cool and I liked it. Gotta have drawers full of tools sitting in your living room, or else how else you gonna live life? So, it's here, more tools. Some other tools, miscellaneous items. Let's see. Yeah. I don't really know how to date it. Things I've looked up on Google say 40s, 50s. I honestly don't know. I've never saw one on Google that had the red drawers and like the blue main frame of the box, so I thought that was pretty cool. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it has SnapOn stamped into all the doors, so it is obviously a SnapOn box. That's pretty much that, guys.